When buying a vacuum cleaner, there are several factors to consider to ensure that you make the best purchase for your home and personal needs. Here are 5 of the most important things to keep in mind. The first thing to consider is the type of vacuum cleaner that will work best for your home. There are several types available, including upright, canister, stick, and robotic vacuums. Each has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and decide which will be most effective for your floors and other cleaning needs. The suction power of a vacuum cleaner is another important factor to consider, especially if you have pets or thick carpets. Look for a vacuum with strong suction that can effectively pick up dirt and debris without clogging or losing power. A quality filtration system can prevent allergens and dust from being released back into the air. Consider a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter, which can trap even the smallest particles and improve air quality in your home. Convenience features like cord length, weight, and attachments can impact how easy and comfortable it is to use your vacuum cleaner. Look for a vacuum that has the right balance of features for your cleaning needs and personal preferences. By carefully considering these factors, you can make an informed decision and choose a vacuum cleaner that will effectively clean your home and meet your specific needs.